Hello, my name is Sal Escobar, and I'm making this video to explain mitosis. Mitosis is part of the cell cycle. The cell cycle is formed by interphase and mitosis. Interphase has S phase, G1, G2, and G0. During G1, G2, there's a lot of growth cell going on, a lot of metabolic activity as well. Once it passes through interphase, and the S phase is in charge of synthesizing the DNA and replicating the DNA. That then is followed already by mitosis. So mitosis begins with 5 stages. It starts with prophase, which during prophase, centrioles divide, and that causes the nuclear membrane to break down. During prophase, it's going to, the chromosomes are going to be visible, and during followed by prometaphase, which chromosome movement in the equatorial plane. Spindle fibers form as well. After prometaphase, there is metaphase, which metaphase, the chromosomes are going to align in the metaphase plate. After metaphase, we have anaphase. Anaphase is sister chromatids will separate, pulled by the spindle fibers that run between those poles, right? The centromeres, the centrosome, sorry. Then after anaphase, we have telophase, which it will be uncoiling of the chromosomes, and the reformation of the nuclear membrane begin to form. Then after telophase, there is cytokinesis, which will be 2 new cells are formed now, produce, and they're called daughter cells. They're going to be identical cells to the parent cell, and that is the process of cell cycle, or in mitosis. Mitosis is one part of the cell cycle, like I said, despite the condensation of chromatid into the diploid number of chromosomes. Again, that's the identical daughter cells. I want to make sure I cover what is happening to the nuclear membrane during mitosis. Like I said, during centrioles migration, the nuclear envelope begins to break down and they gradually disappear. And it starts forming again during cytokinesis or telophase, and then is fully enclosed during cytokinesis, which is this cycle, cytoplasmic division. Now, what is the difference between cytokinesis and animal cells versus plant cells? Plant cells, a cell plate is synthesized and laid down across the metaphase plate and becoming the middle lamella. And from my understanding, the plant cell, it starts at the center of the cell and moves towards the cell wall. And in animal cells, it starts from the edges of the cell and the plasma membrane and moves towards the center. Now, the animal cell constriction of the cytoplasmic or cell furrow, maybe that's how you say it. And again, mitosis is form of prophase, prometaphase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. I think I covered all that it was required. Again, cell growth and intensive metabolic activity happens in G1 and G2. S1 is where DNA is synthesized and replicated. Well, that ends my presentation, and that ends everything. Thank you.